Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to change the payment currency settings for RedotPay card. To modify the payment currency settings for your card using the RedotPay app, firstly launch the RedotPay app on your device. Go to Card, then Settings, then head to Security Settings. You'll see the option named Set Transaction Currencies. Now, select your preferred currencies from the list. You can use Euro, USD, GBP or wherever you want. Use the other option to enable or disable additional currencies quickly. Ensure that at least one currency remains enabled because disabling all is not allowed. This settings helps you to enhance security by restricting transactions to specific currencies, minimizing the risk of card fraud. Disabling non-local currencies prevents unauthorized international transactions. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.